paborito.
Parang pinapapak lang niya, no, B?
Kuya Ice, ba't gising ka pa, Kuya Ice?
Boss Ice.
Kuya Ice, ba't gising ka pa, Kuya Ice? Masarap kasi yung sili, lalo na kapag...
Boss Ice.
Thank you po sa donor. Bakit walang kalamansi, love? Ano ba yan? Ano pa naman yung mga...
Wala sila nilagay na kalamansi.
Wala. Ano mo pinalagay ng kalamansi?
Nagtitipid.
Walang kalamansi.
Akala ko automatic na yun.
Wala. Hindi siya automatic. Ba't sinabihan mo, Kuya Ice, up ka? Ba't sinabihan mo? Nanap ako ng kalamansi. Wala din silang anghang.
Oo, Boss Ice. Naglihi sa Shom. Shomai King. Aling available eh. Beef Shomai. Eh, ayaw niya ng pork shrimp. Order na, Boss Ice.
Mag-siomay ka na, Kuya. Mura lang. Mura lang kaya, Kuya. Sa ano? Mag-siomay ka na, Kuya. Siomay ka na, dali. Para may
Andeng, ba't
kasabay ako.
kasing ka pa, Andeng?
Andeng. Hello, Andeng. Hello, Andeng. Ate Jelly, wait lang, ah.
Ubusin mo talaga yan.
Kumakain pa ako.
Diyos ko, kinakagat lang niya yung sili.
Walang laban sa akin si si TJ pag kumain na kayo. Ang sila. Sakain na ng maanghang.
Ubusin niya yung 16 siomay niya.
Hello.
Up ka, Andeng.
Gutom ako, di ako kumain. Wala nang ubos na eh. Kalahati.
Katiri.
Makakadiri ka naman. Hindi ka diri yun, oh.
Ang anghang.
Hindi maanghang yun.
Nag-live.
Hindi, ah.
Punta ka na doon. O, dito ka mag-up, dali. Mag-up ka dito, Andeng. Boss Ice,
Hindi
oh,
ka
may
maanghang.
pwesto pa, oh.
Ay, oh, sorry. Hello, hindi ko na-follow. Wait lang.
Hindi ka pa nakafollow kaya, no?
Sorry na. Ayan, akin na.
Hello? Si Drin, wala muna yata si Drin.
Hindi, dyan pa si Dre. Nasa work lang yan.
Wala siya dito sa viewer.
Ako, pero di ako pumasok.
Ang tako ko. Hindi ko alam. Baka kumakapit ka.
Siya dapat tutulog na ako.
Okay, good night.
8:30 na eh.
Okay, sleep well. Good night. Mamaya pa ako
Sleep
matutulog.
well. Thank you. O din matutulog na rin ako.
Bye-bye. Sa bababa ka ba? Bababa ka?
No. Liwanag na sa lab.
Mamaya pa ako.
Oy, Paul John.
Ano po
What up,
dyan?
Paul John? Shout out.
Share out po. Hello po sa mga friends ni TJ.
Shout out sa mga Paragon Entertainment.
Sinundan ka talaga nila.
Hindi talaga.
Ang sikat daw kasi talaga ng TJ eh. Hello? Hello? Ba't hindi ko marinig sabi? Hello? Rinig ba yung mic? Rinig yung mic? Ha? Hello? You miss it?
Meron.
Okay. Ate Jelly, anong kanta?
Wala kang follow dito si Paul John.
Nobody else can see all of the secret fears inside and all the craziness inside. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. She doesn't judge the man. Tulog ka na. She just take me so young. Come deep believes and the latest. Georgina, oh love, friend mo pa rin yan. Before come what may, she loves me and the love has held me open the door. Hindi ako mag-open ka. Making me love myself a little more. When I turn away. Kakantayin ko yung request mo, Ate Chelly. There's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do. You know, so let me believe it's true. Aso ko.
Open cam ka dito. Ayaw mo dito ka mag-open cam. Open cam pa daw. Dito ka na mag-open cam. Gusto mo? Sige, matulog na.
Tulog ka na. And they just can't be when I turn around. And they have a shine in her eyes. Come with me, she believes. And the love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. Wait, papakita talaga kita dyan sa ginagawa mo dyan. May ano po dito, oh, may ano niya. Falling in love. Falling in love. Falling in love. In love. 6-part invention. Tama ba? Six. If I had to leave my love without you near me, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so hard. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. Isn't that love? may baliw po dito. And dreams are young and we both know you'll take as everyone to know. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view, and help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The one thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change the whole lot true, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. Love share mo kay Jello. Namimiss ko si girl. I'll never ask for more than your love. Love, please, thank you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You want to know by now how much I love you. The one thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, true, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Ang ganda na entrance ni Trin. Hi Trin, welcome back. Kamusta ka, Trin? Ito na, Ate Chelly. Press 1, Ate Chelly. Fallen something. Ate Chelly. Fallen in love. Sana alam ko. Press 20. Ito ba yun? Ito ba? Try ko kung alam ko ah. Got along just fine. Deep inside, I know there is more. Tama ba? Right next to you, I know you're the right one. Good night. Ito ba yun? When these feelings I'm taking chances now. In my heart I feel that this is something real. I don't wanna let this moment go. Okay, alam ko na. This way, when I'm with you, I feel so alive. Why, will I hide away? I can't help it, I'm falling in love with you. Ito pala yun. Light Striker, hello. Welcome. Never-ending nights when I'm alone with you. A lifetime of dreams coming true. Nothing comes close to what we have right now. You're the only one that matters now. Bucky. In my heart I feel that this is something real. I don't wanna let this moment go. Why, do I feel this way? When I'm with you, I feel so alive. Why, will I hide away? I can't help it, I'm falling in love. Ang taas nito, Ate Chelia. Tinulugan ako ni TJ. Practicing ko to, Ate Chelia. Oh, why do I feel this way? Busog ako. I feel so alive. Why, will I hide? Ate Chelly, pagpa-practice ang ko. Sorry na po. Nahiya pa din ako. Diyan sila. May bisita tayo. Tantan, hello. Thank you for the follow. Hindi po ako senior, pasensya na kayo. Baka gusto niyo kumanta kayo. Kayo na po kumanta. Baka gusto niyo po kumanta, kayo na po kumanta. Wait lang. May mga kakantayin ako. Yung mga favorite song ko na, ko na. Nakalimutan ko na. Oo nga eh. Kapaan. Kapaan lang yung laban. Kapaan na yun. Hanap tayo ng Kinapa ko lang yun, Ate Jelly. Kinapa ko lang. Wait lang. Hanap tayo ng mga, favorite. Isa sa mga favorite. Isa sa mga favorite song ko na favorite din na Ate Jelly. song, Tanda. Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today. Reading the text you sent me again, though I'm memorizing anyway. It was afternoon in December, and it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi, 'cause I look away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 12:51, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta try these things tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on. 'Cause any longer pala. And I saw you with her, didn't think you're buying the night up. And my world is just too rush. Shouldn't have thought that this would be last. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's up if you want, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta try these tears tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. As the skies outside gets brighter, and my eyes begin to tire, I'm slowly drowning in the memories of him. And I know it shouldn't matter, as my heart begins to shatter. Don't live to wonder just how it should have been. Yeah, driving you, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta try this tears tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on. Are you sure? 'Cause I'll prove you wrong, that I can't move on to this song. So much stronger. Ano nga yung, ano po yung request mo? Ano, sino ba yan? Hello, Mama. Ophel. Ophel? Ophela? Anong request mo, Tanta? Nandiyan ka pa ba? Kaya kanta lang po ako naman. May gusto ko kanta. Nakatas lagi ko eh. Wait lang, yung aso ko.